Hey guys, it's HappyAgent252 with another on-screen production thing, I guess. Alright, so right now I am editing for the fandom ready for episode 3, part 1. And I'm going to show you how I do the Tomoyo kicking. And let me tell you, it does take forever. But luckily, this one doesn't take as long. So what we're going to do is we're going to get our punching sound effect, and we are going to trim it so that there is no muted parts. We only hear the punch effect. Then we drag it over here to the very beginning. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go to another soundtrack file and make it so that it's halfway of the other one. And then we're going to go to another soundtrack file and make it so that it's halfway of that one. And now we're going to, so now that we did that, we're going to go to the very end so that we basically mark where the final one is. So then what you do is you get another one, and then you drop it, and then you drag it over here. And the reason why you drop it then drag is because if you drag it all the way over here, you know, it's not as accurate and stuff. So, I mean, you might as well just drop it wherever and drag it. But if you bring it like all the way here, it does interfere with the other one. So, yeah, you might as well just like take it all the way out here, drag it here, and this is what it should sound like for right now. Yeah, so that's what it sounds like with just one sound effect. Here, hold on, wait till I'm finished with all this. Oh, dang it, I lost my mark. Alright, right there's good. So yeah, I'm voicing Sunahara and Mr. Komuro and maybe some other like side characters. Like, you know what I mean by side characters, like characters that don't even have a name. After all, I do only have 2 characters, but I am fan dubbing every episode. All 49. And there. Now, here's what just sounded just one of them. So now we're gonna do it to the second clip. Jeez, this is gonna take this. Luckily, this isn't like the second episode where like it took forever. That took, oh jeez. I had to do 6 soundtrack files because I had to do the top 3 like louder and the bottom 3 quieter. No, I should probably have this part showing. I just thought it'd be like a little cool video to show this, you know. Like show how I make this. All that wonderful, good, fluffy stuff. Alright, so since this one gets right over to the red bar, we are going to go down one, and we're not going to put one after this one, obviously. So, here's what it sounds with just 2 of them. So yeah, it sounds decent, but not good enough. We need to do the 3rd one. Because Tomoyo kicks way faster than that. Because she is Tomoyo. So yeah, I'm already almost done with this episode. I think I have one more scene right after this one. I want to talk to you guys about something, but I forgot what. I think this is gonna be my last one. Alright. Now here's how this sounds. Alright. That's lovely. Okay. So that's it. That's how you do Tomoyo's kicks. Alright, peace out everyone. Oh wow, I just wasted almost 7 minutes of your life. Peace out everyone.